Hey guys, got the Zero Gravity Performance paddle shifters in here. These work off a CAN bus module that comes with it. And it comes with an LED screen. And of course you got the paddles. You see it, upshift, downshift. Right now I'm in drive, so it's not enabled. Trying to run this red light. We'll come to a stop here. And you see it's just showing the current gear we are in right now. There's a button back here to select this current gear, throttle percent, vehicle speed. I like vehicle speed. I use that a lot as I'm driving. It has actually a ton of parameters you can go see. Let's get it back to current gear. Alright, now I'm going to throw it in manual mode. So we're in third gear, upshift, fourth gear, downshift, third gear, fourth, back down to third. So it works really well. Looks really neat. Very high quality. Almost everything is billet. I'll throw it back in drive. And I have this working on my 1996 Tahoe. You do have to get a few adapters depending on what vehicle column you have. My Tahoe is a more modern setup, so I had to get a special adapter to make it work. But basically, it works best to use a 6-bolt or a 5-bolt steering wheel. And I bought the steering wheel off Amazon for I believe $90. It looks real nice. I'm not sure if it's billet. It looks like it is, but I doubt it for that price. But everything works well. It's a 14-inch wheel, and that seems about perfect for your hands to fit with the paddles. Horn works. I won't use it right now because we're in traffic. And the installation is very easy. This display gets power from the horn, so you kind of splice the horn power to that. It then sends the signals, transmits them and receives from the Bluetooth module, which I have tucked underneath the dash. The Bluetooth module wires into your OBD2 port to get your CAN bus and power and ground. And that's pretty much it. I don't have any complaints besides the CAN bus module is Bluetooth, so it needs to be as close as possible to this unit. When I had it on the kind of the ground, and the display would go in and out, and what's happening, it'd lose connection. So the higher up in the dash you can get it, the more solid connection that you'll have. And this is a truck operating system for my Tahoe, which I like because I have tow haul mode and stuff like that. But with a Camaro or Corvette setup, this will be lightning fast. It will shift instantaneously. The trucks have a slight delay. It's just the way they are. But if you use a Camaro, the paddles will work in drive. Versus a truck has to be in manual mode. So some people like that, some people don't. Personally, I'd rather have it work in drive and be able to shift at any time. The only way for me to do that is to install a Camaro or Corvette operating system. And this is an LAE 353 engine, so those cars never came with this engine, and it's a little finicky to try to get those tunes to work with the 5.3. But I do want to try again on my Tahoe from everything I've learned tuning wise. But let's see, let's come to a stop here. I'll go ahead and put it in manual mode. So it should hold it. Holding. Pretty neat. I like how it rough matches. And it won't let you overshift it. That's the built-in safety of the GM operating system. But for off-road it's nice. Or if you're in a real hilly area, you want complete control. But there is a video of the unit installed, the paddles working, And I would show all the menus, but there's actually quite a few. It just depends what you like. So I like speed for when I'm driving in traffic. It's just right there in your face. You're able to see it very easily. But a very well built unit. The units cost, I believe, $575 for the powder coated black setup. Polished is, I don't know if it's $100 more or $25 more. It's just a little bit more. And it's made in America. And the guy who designed all this and makes it, he lives in Arizona. And he's nice to talk to, very knowledgeable on this stuff. Oh, and this will work on 8-speed, 10-speed, 6 speeds. Pretty much any transmission from 2007 and up that uses CAN bus on GM side. But that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Bye.